In today's video, I'll be introducing you to Messenger. So what is Messenger? Messenger is a Facebook feature and separate app that allows you to have a live, private, one-on-one text or video chat with anyone in the world who also has a Facebook account. If you use Facebook on your laptop or desktop computer, Messenger is a built-in feature that comes with Facebook. If you use Facebook on a smartphone or tablet, Messenger is a separate app that you must download from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on if you are on an Apple device or an Android device. For demonstration purposes, I will be using my Apple iPad today. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you some important tips to ensure you have the best experience possible. The most important thing to remember is to keep the viewer in mind. Remember that at the other end of this conversation is another person. So you want to make sure that you speak slowly and clearly. You want to be aware of your surroundings, any background noise, any background visuals that might be distracting. Think about the lighting. How well are you lit? And remember to maintain eye contact with the viewer. It's very easy to look at the screen when you're having a video chat. But if you really want to maintain eye contact, I always remind folks to look into the camera and not the screen. Be mindful of what you are wearing. Be mindful of the camera angle. Be mindful to make sure you hold the device still. If possible, prop the smartphone or tablet on a surface like a table or a shelf for stability. Built-in cameras come with all devices now. So whether you're on a laptop or a desktop, smartphones and tablets, most smartphones and tablets have two cameras. They have a front and a rear facing camera. They come with built-in speakers, built-in microphone, but if you want to enhance the sound for better quality, you may want to attach an external microphone or headphone for better input and output sound. So let's get started. All right, we're on my iPad now, and we're on the front page of my iPad with all the various apps that I have, but we're going to focus on Messenger. And Messenger and Facebook are apps that work in conjunction with one another. Messenger is actually a Facebook product, and it's the app that we use to do a video chat or a text chat with someone. So let's go ahead and get started on that. I give Messenger a tap, and it brings me to the last person that I had a chat with. In this case, it's my friend Lisa, and her and I were just going back and forth, kind of texting, showing funny pictures of dogs who are in quarantine during the COVID-19 crisis here that we're going through right now, unfortunately. But anyway, on the left-hand side, you can see all the various people that I have had a Messenger chat with in the past. So if I wanted to chat with any one of these people in particular, I could just simply tap on it and it would bring up our conversation right here. But the person that I want to do a Messenger chat with is my friend Mary. So I'm going to go right up here to the search bar, and I'm going to tap on that and type in Mary's name. And there she is. She's at the very top. So I'm going to tap on her name, and now it brings us back to our chats that we've had. And basically it just has a record of the chats that we've had over the time period. I can text her simply by tapping down here in the text field and saying, in this case, "Hi, are you ready for a video chat?"
question mark. To send that message, I have to hit the blue arrow, and that sends that text to Mary. And this is a private conversation that Mary and I are having through this app. And right now it's just kind of working as a text feature. But we're going to do a video feature once she's back with us here. So I'll just wait for her to reply. And there she is. She's typing. There we go. So she's ready. So let's go ahead and do a video chat. In the upper right-hand corner, there is a little video icon. And if I tap on that video icon, it will call her. Let me fix my hair here. And it's going to give Mary a call through the Messenger app.
Hello.
Hello, Mary. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thanks so much for helping me with the demo today. Just sit tight. I just want to point out a few things to the folks here that are joining us. So as you can see, in the upper right-hand corner is what Mary sees. So I always want to be conscious of my eye contact with her, look into the camera as much as possible, as opposed to looking at myself or looking her on the screen as well. If I tap on Mary's photo, I get options here. There's a red button where I can hang up. There is a microphone button that I can tap on if I want to mute the call. And if I want to add more people to the call, I can hit this button and we can have a conversation between me and Mary and 2 or 3 or 5 other people. So it's very convenient to kind of do that as well. Mary, just real quick, tell the folks how you use Facebook Messenger to, keep in touch with your family. I know you've got a couple of daughters that live out of state.
I do. One lives in Buffalo, which is about 2 hours from me, and she has a little girl. She's going to be 1 pretty soon. And then one lives in Florida, and he's going to be. She has a little boy, and he's going to be 2 months on Friday. So if it wasn't for this technology, I would be a lot sadder than just not being able to see them.
Sure. Yeah. So it allows you to kind of see them really on a day-to-day basis if you want.
Right.
That's wonderful.
I love it.
That's great. Okay, well, I'm going to wrap up here with Mary. Mary, I want to thank you again for helping me today, and I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Okay, I'll see you.
Have a great day.
All right, bye-bye. I hit the red button, and now the call with Mary has ended. This is just like a little survey that they have at the end here to ask you how the quality of the call was. I'm going to give it 5 stars and give it my feedback. And there we have it. That is how you make a video chat or a text chat using the Messenger app. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need more information on group or private in-home instruction, please visit my website at danielteaches.com, or you can call me at 585-902-8450, or email me at daniel@danielteaches.com.